Well, today is the day that we go stage one. I'm a little bit nervous to do this for a few reasons. Number one being I've never tuned a car before, so this will be kind of my first entry into car tuning. And the second reason why I'm nervous is because I still have a little bit of warranty left on this car. I still have about 10 months of warranty, but you know, I barely drive the car. It only has 26,000 kilometers, which is like 15,000 miles. I've had it for like over 3 years. So I think it's running in tip-top condition, and I think it can handle this tune. But wow, I'm really excited and nervous at the same time. Just gonna leave this on my seat for right now. We'll get into that in a second. The first thing I want to do is actually hook up a battery maintainer because I do not want to brick my ECU. So let's get this thing on here. All right, so we're all hooked up. Another thing to mention is that the car needs to have everything off. I have this off already. I have this off already. I have all my climate controls off. I have all my lights off. So I think we're okay. All right, so we're all plugged into the OBD port, I believe. I think I've pushed that in as far as it'll go. So now I think we just plug into the laptop. Hopefully I don't have to read out the serial number on there. So let's plug into the laptop. All right, so I got registered. It says, please make sure to open the hood and hook up a battery charger to your car. This will ensure that the flash does not corrupt your ECU. Failure to hook up a battery charger may end up with a bricked ECU, which you will have to send in your ECU so we can attempt to recover it. The hood must be opened on 2019 and newer models. So our hood is open. I am going to double check that the battery maintainer is still good. Plug it in. Okay, it's in. Please turn your ignition to the on. So do not push the brake. Next, the key must stay inside your car at all times. So I'm going to stick my key right down here so we don't forget. All right, so we have the flash wizard up here now. So I do have the DSG tune and the stage one. So we'll be able to do the stage one high torque file. But I think first we do the DSG tune. Now it looks like we can select our launch control. I'm going to do it at 4,000 because that's what it is stock. We're ready to flash your car. Please click flash when you're ready. All right. I think it's good to go. And we can purchase since we have the credits. We'll authorize it. And we're going. So currently what's happening is a bunch of lights are popping up, a bunch of errors, which is normal. So now we wait. My palms are definitely sweaty right now. I'm nervous. I've never done this before. So I guess this will kind of be a review of what it's like as a first-time at-home tuner to tune your car, obviously. Excuse the car right now. I know it is very dirty. I had some pretty long drives that I went on the past week. So in return, I have a dirty car. Congratulations, you've successfully flashed your car. That was fun, or that was quick. Now go have some fun. Once you're ready for more power, check out our recommended products for you below. Okay, so it says, if you have any other modules to flash, please be sure to make sure to start the car and turn it off and then back on before starting another flash. Okay. There we go. That was being a little bit weird for a second. I'm not sure why. And our battery maintainer is now saying charge because we have started the car. Sorry, it's kind of loud. We should be able to turn the car off now. Okay. I'm just going to start it one more time. And we should be able to do our stage one file now. So we'll turn the car back on here. Okay. We'll hit tune again. We're already connected. We got that on. We are already there. Key must be in the car. Cool. Now I wonder if it'll tell me latest transmission flash GSG. Okay. So it has that there. Now I should be able to do the stage 1 high torque. I'm going to be doing 91 since I don't really have a lot of 93 octane near me. 91, it needs the DSG file, which we already have. Intake and turbo inlet pipe we already have. So let's get this one going. We're ready to flash the car. Please click continue. Please click flash when you're ready. And let's do this one. This car meets the requirements. Purchase. Something else I want to mention, most of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. I don't even know if my finger's in the right spot. Most of you are not subscribed, so if you don't mind, if you like my videos and you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers so I can become YouTube partnered. I would really appreciate it. And also leave a like while you're at it. Okay, congratulations. You have successfully flashed your car. Now go have some fun. All right, if you have any other modules, that will be it for today. So we will hit finish. And I think if we turn the car off, I'm going to, let's just start it up as is right now. And there is a telltale way to know if it has worked, and you'll see the gear number next to the drive mode. So, well, guys, I had a bit of a scare there. The car was not starting. I had to cycle it on and off a bunch of times without my foot on the brake. And then finally it started with a long press of the start-stop engine, or the start button. I was so worried. I was like already looking for IU's phone number, but I think it's okay. If we pop it into drive, yeah, we'll see D1 now. So the tune is on the car. I kind of don't want to turn it off because I'm so scared it's not going to turn back on. But I think we're all right. I think we're all right. Oh my God, that was scary. All right, so I'm gonna back out of my garage here and I'm just going to take it for a quick spin and make sure everything's good. A little drive. I didn't drive it hard. I'm gonna save that for another video for my first impressions of stage 1. And so that'll be it for today. So please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions or want to chat. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, everyone. I appreciate you watching. I can't wait for all the fun I'm going to have in this beast.